Think your hammer curls are building bigger arms. What if I told you that one tiny mistake could be stealing your gains every single rep? Most people think lifting heavier dumbbells automatically builds bigger biceps. But that's not true. If your form is off, you're making the exercise easier for your body and harder for your muscles. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to perform the hammer curl the right way, so every rep actually helps you build stronger, thicker arms. Let's start with the biggest mistakes. The most common one is swinging the dumbbells using your back and shoulders instead of your arms. Another mistake is letting your elbows drift forward as you lift the weight. And finally, many people move far too quickly, using momentum instead of muscle. Here's something to think about. If your whole body is moving during a curl, are your arms really doing the work? Probably not. Now let's fix it. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. Keep your chest up and your shoulders relaxed. Imagine a string pulling the top of your head toward the ceiling. That simple cue helps you maintain good posture throughout the movement. Pick up the dumbbells with your palms facing each other. This is called a neutral grip, and it's what makes the hammer curl different from a regular bicep curl. Now, let your arms hang naturally at your sides. Here's the secret that changes everything. Keep your elbows close to your ribs. During the entire exercise, imagine you're gently holding a small towel between your elbows and your body. If your elbows move forward, the towel falls. That one mental image can instantly improve your technique. Now, it's time to curl. Lift the dumbbells slowly by bending only at your elbows. Your upper arms should stay almost completely still. Think of your elbow as the hinge on a door. The hinge doesn't move, only the door swings. The same thing should happen here. As you reach the top of the movement, don't rush. Pause for just 1 second. Squeeze your biceps and forearms as hard as you can. That squeeze creates more muscle tension, which helps stimulate growth. Now lower the dumbbells slowly. Don't just let gravity drop the weight. Control the descent for about 2 to 3 seconds. Many people don't realize that your muscles work incredibly hard during this lowering phase. In fact, controlling the weight on the way down is one of the best ways to improve strength and muscle development. Here's another important tip. Keep your wrists straight from start to finish. Don't bend them backward or forward. A strong, neutral wrist helps transfer force directly into your arms and reduces unnecessary strain. And remember, choose a weight you can control. If you're leaning backward, swinging your hips, or using momentum to lift the dumbbells, they're simply too heavy. Using lighter weights with perfect form will always beat heavier weights with poor technique. Think of your core like the foundation of a skyscraper. When the foundation stays solid, everything above it becomes stronger and more stable. The same is true during a hammer curl. Brace your core, stay balanced, and let your arms do the work. Let's quickly review. Stand tall. Use a neutral grip. Keep your elbows close to your sides. Lift slowly, pause and squeeze at the top. Lower the weight under control. And keep your wrists straight the entire time. Now here's your challenge. Grab a pair of dumbbells and perform 10 perfect hammer curl repetitions using everything you learned today. Feel the difference. Focus on quality instead of quantity, because every perfect rep brings you one step closer to stronger, bigger arms. Keep training smart, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next workout.